Hey everyone, let's talk about pores. Pores are a fundamental part of our skin, yet they often get a bad rap. Today, we're going to dive deep into understanding what they are, why we have them, and how to take care of them. We all have them, and they're totally normal. Pores are those tiny openings on the surface of our skin that allow it to breathe. They are essential for maintaining healthy skin, regardless of your skin type or color. Pores are tiny openings on our skin's surface. They are connected to hair follicles and serve as pathways for sebum, which is the natural oil our skin produces. This oil helps to keep our skin moisturized and protected. They play a crucial role in keeping our skin healthy. Without pores, our skin wouldn't be able to release sweat or oil, which are vital for regulating our body temperature and keeping our skin hydrated. Think of them as little doorways that allow sweat and oil to escape, helping to regulate our body temperature. When we sweat, our pores open up to release moisture, which cools us down. Similarly, the oil that comes out of our pores helps to keep our skin soft and supple. Without pores, our skin wouldn't be able to breathe. They are essential for the overall function and health of our skin. However, it's important to keep them clean and unclogged to prevent issues like acne and blackheads. Sometimes these pores can appear larger, which might make us feel a bit self-conscious. Factors like genetics, age, and skin type can influence the size of our pores. Additionally, excessive oil production and buildup of dead skin cells can make pores look more prominent. But don't worry, there are ways to minimize their appearance and achieve that coveted, smooth, healthy-looking complexion. Regular exfoliation, using non-comedogenic products, and maintaining a consistent skincare routine can help keep your pores clean and less noticeable. We'll dive into that soon. In the upcoming segments, we'll explore various tips and tricks to help you manage your pores effectively. From understanding the right products to use to learning about professional treatments, we've got you covered. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to skincare. Let's get started. By understanding our pores better, we can take the necessary steps to maintain healthy, glowing skin. Stay tuned for more insights and tips. So what causes pores to become more noticeable? It's a question many of us have pondered while looking in the mirror. Imagine this. Our skin is constantly producing sebum, a natural oil that keeps it moisturized. Sebum is essential for maintaining the skin's barrier and preventing it from becoming dry and cracked. Sometimes, sebum can mix with dead skin cells and get trapped inside our pores. This mixture can create a plug that blocks the pore, leading to a buildup of oil and dead skin cells. This leads to those pesky clogged pores, which can appear larger and more prominent. When pores are clogged, they can stretch and become more visible, especially in areas like the nose and forehead. Think of it like a traffic jam in your pores. Just as cars get stuck and cause congestion on the road, sebum and dead skin cells can create a blockage in your pores. Factors like genetics, hormones, and even environmental pollution can contribute to excess sebum production and clogged pores. For instance, hormonal changes during puberty, pregnancy, or even stress can increase sebum production. But the good news is, with the right skincare routine, we can keep those pores clear and minimize their appearance. Regular cleansing, exfoliation, and using non-comedogenic products can make a significant difference in maintaining clear skin. One of the most important steps in minimizing pores is proper cleansing. Finding the right cleanser for your skin type is crucial. Look for gentle, pH-balanced cleansers that effectively remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping away your skin's natural oils. Avoid harsh soaps and cleansers that contain sulfates. These can irritate your skin and actually trigger more oil production, making your pores appear larger. It's all about finding that balance. Remember, a happy skin barrier is a happy you. Section 4, non-comedogenic, your new favorite word. When it comes to minimizing pores, non-comedogenic should be your new mantra. This simply means products that won't clog your pores. Look for this term on moisturizers, makeup, and sunscreens. Think of it as giving your pores a break. By choosing non-comedogenic products, you're creating a happy, healthy environment for your skin to thrive. This will help prevent clogs and keep your pores looking their best. Remember, your skin will thank you for it. Section 5, Weekly Wonders Exfoliation, Masks, and Serums. In addition to daily cleansing, incorporating weekly treatments can take your pore minimizing game to the next level. These treatments not only help in maintaining the health of your skin, but also provide that extra boost needed for a radiant complexion. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. This process reveals the fresh new skin underneath and allows your other skincare products to penetrate more effectively. Look for chemical exfoliants containing AHAs or BHAs, which are gentler on the skin than physical scrubs. AHAs, or alpha-hydroxy acids, work on the surface of the skin to remove dead cells, while BHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, go deeper into the pores to clear out impurities. Clay masks are another great option for absorbing excess oil and impurities. They work by drawing out toxins from the skin, making them particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Applying a clay mask once a week can leave your skin feeling refreshed and your pores looking refined. The minerals in the clay help to tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of large pores. Finally, consider incorporating a retinol serum into your routine. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, is known for its powerful anti-aging properties. Retinoids work wonders for increasing cell turnover and minimizing pores over time. With consistent use, you can achieve smoother, clearer, and more youthful-looking skin. Remember, patience is key, as it can take several weeks to see noticeable results. Section 6. Daily Rituals. A simple routine for pore perfection. Now let's talk about a simple daily skincare routine for minimizing pores. Start your day by cleansing with a gentle cleanser, followed by a toner to balance your skin's pH. Next, apply a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. And last, but certainly not least, always wear sunscreen during the day. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays, which can actually damage collagen and make pores appear larger. Section 7. Achieving poreless-looking skin, a recap. So, there you have it. Remember, achieving poreless-looking skin is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, be consistent with your skincare routine, and listen to your skin. By incorporating the tips and tricks we've discussed, you'll be well on your way to a smoother, more refined complexion. Keep shining, my friends.